How to sell digital fitness programs on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the shop manager button in the top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here, as you can see, we have 6 steps to go through in order to set our Etsy shop. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here in the first step, you have to set the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm just going to change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. And here in the second step, we will choose a name for the shop. So here just remove the spaces between words and make sure the name is less than 20 characters. Let's just try to shorten it. So here let's remove. So this is good. The name is available. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. So here in the third step, you have to add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So here, before we proceed to adding the photos or details about the product, let's first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So the first one is photos, and as you can see, please upload at least one photo. Then we have the inventory, where you will need to at least give the price of the product or enter the price of the product. Then you have the listing details, where also you will need to fill all of these fields, all of the fields in red. Then we have the shipping, where also you will need to do the same with the red fields, which means fill them and turn them to be white. So let's just start from the first step, which is photos. So here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then you have the listing details. So in this part, you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. Include keywords that buyers would use to search for your item. So here, let's just give the name of our product. Then we answer these 3 questions. Who made it? What is it? And then when did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then we have the category of the product. So here, let's go with this category. And you can choose from these suggestions. So let's go for the calendars and planners. Or just go for the calendars and planners. Then here we have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product. So for example, let's see it's in black. Then we have the secondary option, secondary color. Let's say it's in gold. Then we have the occasion. So here we have a lot of occasions to choose from. So for me, I'm going to choose, for example, a confirmation or something like that. So this is just an example. And for the renewal options, if you want to use an automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want to use the manual one, which is free, so let's use the manual. Then we have the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product. And obviously in this case, it's a digital product. Then for entering a good description for the product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. If you have any, or if you want to add any, you can fill their details in here. Then we have these other details, the section, tags, and materials, and they are all optional. So I'm just going to leave them for later. Then we have the pricing. So make sure to give your product a fair price for both of you, for both you and your clients. Let's see, 29.99. So here, remember the factor in the costs of materials, labor, and other business expenses. If you offer free shipping, make sure to include the cost of shipping so it doesn't eat into your profits. Then we have the digital files field. So here, this is where you upload your digital file that you're going to sell. So just click on upload file. Then you choose from your files, and here you have the right to upload to 5 files. 5 files include the one that you're going to sell. Then we have the returns and exchanges policy. So as you can see in here, digital items aren't eligible for returns or exchanges on Etsy because of the nature of these items. While it's not possible to edit this policy, when a buyer reaches out, you're still free to resolve as you see fit. So here, no returns or exchanges. Buyer can contact seller about any issues with an order. So here, when we choose a physical product, you will see that we have the shipping settings. As you can see, we have these shipping settings. So here you can choose the shipping settings, select the processing time, delivery time. You can also select the business days, and the same with this other setting, which is for everywhere else. And we have also the returns and exchanges. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.